Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to use Chase points for flights in 2025. If you're a Chase cardholder with points piling up, this guide will help you turn those rewards into your next adventure. Let's get started. First off, what exactly are Chase points? They're flexible rewards earned from cards like the Chase Sapphire Preferred or Reserve, and they can be redeemed for travel, cashback, or even gift cards. But in 2025, with airlines updating their programs, using points for flights has never been easier or more valuable. The key is understanding the two main ways to redeem: through Chase's Ultimate Rewards portal or by transferring points to airline partners. Step 1. Log into your Chase account on the Ultimate Rewards website or app. Make sure your points are up to date. Chase often refreshes values based on current market rates, which could mean better deals in 2025. Once you're in, head to the Travel section and search for flights. You'll see options to pay with points directly or combine them with cash for partial redemptions. Now, for the transfer option, which is often the best value. Chase partners with airlines like United, Southwest, and British Airways. Select a partner, check transfer ratios, typically 1-to-1, and transfer your points instantly. Pro tip for 2025. Watch for bonus transfer events, as Chase might offer 20 to 30% extra points for certain partners, making international flights a steal. One thing to remember: points values can vary. For economy flights, you might get 1.25 cents per point through the portal, but transferring could yield up to 1.8 cents or more. Always compare prices before booking. Also, be aware of blackout dates or restrictions with some airlines, though 2025 updates have made these less common. In summary, using Chase points for flights is a game changer for savvy travelers. Whether you're booking a domestic hop or an overseas trip, it saves you money and adds flexibility. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below on your favorite Chase redemption story. Thanks for watching, and safe travels.